Cost-saving way to water plants without having to buy an expensive pouring container with one of those long tubes. They're usually pretty expensive. So this is just half-inch PVC pipe. It's got a little 90-degree angle fitting on the end. I adjust the hose jet diameter so that it's kind of thin, goes right down the tube, and I can direct the flow of water directly to the base of the roots. It comes out on either side and makes for very effective watering of your tomato plants or other garden plants where you don't want to waste a lot of water on the leaves. You want to water the roots. And let's just do another close up here. Next to the root of the plant. Okay. So the key to making this work, though, is to, you have to use a little hand coordination to keep the nozzle right up against the hose, but it gets a nice gentle trickle of water, and yeah, happy gardening.